ugly snot. A golden ticket with her snot nose breath.
What she say? What she say? She said she spotted rats.
Catch one, we'll eat it.
That's quite enough. We should all go to bed.
Can Grandpa Joe tell me one Walker story? Just one, please?
All right. Just one, but no zombie worker stories. You need your sleep.
Charlie, look here.
It's a Walker Nutty Crook surprise! Shh! But where'd you get it?
I've been saving it. Open it.
I can't. I'm too nervous. You open it.
We'll both open it.
Nothing. Good thing really, because chocolate turned fattening.
You're right, Charlie. A lifetime supply of it? You'd be the size of the dome in Capitol Hill.